Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to add a photo to a video using Capcut. This is a simple and easy process that you can master in no time. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Capcut app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on Capcut, select the video that you want to add a photo to from your gallery. Okay, so what you have to do is to tap on the overlay button at the bottom of the screen. This will allow to select a photo from a gallery. Choose the photo that you wanted to add and tap on Add. And now it will appear on the timeline above your video. Okay, so now you can adjust the size and position of the photo. Simply pinch to resize and drag the position the photo where you want it on the screen. To set the duration of the photo overlay, drag the ends of the photo clip on the timeline to the desired length. You can make the photo appear for as long or as short as you like, and you can also add animations, filters, and more to make your photo stand out. And once you are happy with how the photo looks in your video, tap on the play button to review your work. If everything looks good, tap on the export button at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully added a photo to your video using Capcut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.